What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, let me show you how to log out your Facebook account from all devices. So, to log out your Facebook account from all devices, first you have to open up your Facebook app from your device. Start by clicking on the button at the upper right corner to access the menu. After that, scroll down to find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, then click on Settings. Now, navigate to the Account Center of your Facebook account. If you can find it, search for Account Center in the search bar and click on it. From there, scroll down and click on Password and Security. Next, click on where you're logged in. Here, you'll see a list of devices where your Facebook account is currently logged in. To proceed, click on Select Device to log out. You can then check the devices you want to log out from, or click on Select All to log out from all devices at once. Once you've made your selections, click on the Logout button, confirm by clicking Logout again, and that's it. You've successfully logged out your Facebook account from all devices. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.